How you doing? My name's Tony. I run Kettle Black Arts and Leather. We make all sorts of great items. Tie-dye masks, tie-dye shirts, even tie-dye underwear. We make fun leather items, wallets, you name it. But to do all that, we also want to teach people on YouTube, Facebook, and Etsy. So we bought some memory cards from Samsung, which we're going to open in this package here in a second. And we also bought a large capacity 63 slot memory card disc holder. There was one that was made before this that only held like 20, and everybody was crying that it's such a big container to only hold so few. So they listened and they made the larger one, and that was a company called Brendix. But we're gonna open this up here real quick. We're gonna take out my Evo Select memory cards by Samsung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a really good price. Of course, the day after I ordered them, they jacked up the price $1. But check out these bad boys here. There's the camera. Hopefully it'll refocus. Alright. I know you'd much rather see my pretty face, so back at it. Alright. Take a bag there, throw that there. There was a little plastic bag around it, but I was able to hold it in the envelope, pull it out. So this one holds the 63 slots. Make sure you recycle your plastic bag. Not too bad. Cards will fit right in here. Looks like, yep, 8 per page. That's not bad. Looks like these will all hold for this SD size. And this one here has the slot for 4 mini discs. But it looks like that's the only slot for it. But still, not bad. Decently hard case. A Butterfox zipper. Seems alright. Runs pretty smooth. Probably still put a little soap on it just because I'm at that age where I remember that kind of stuff. Makes your zippers last a little longer and flow a little smoother. Take a little dry bar soap, rub it on your zipper. This works great for tents or anything. Your zipper will never stick. Alright? Anyways, really nice case by Brendix. Check it out. Pay a good price. And again, the Samsung discs for my GoPro. I can't wait to use these because I want to make lots of videos to entertain all you fine people. Remember, check out Kettle Black Arts. We're on Etsy, YouTube, Facebook. If you look for us on Google, you'll find us there too. Take care. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.